Hey guys, it's Trevor Boyer here today, and today we're just going to be showing y'all the new episodes. First up, we have Eggman's Anti-Gravity Ray. And if y'all want to look at, I'll do that. You have Eggman's Anti-Gravity Ray. And it is coming out 29th July 2017. Now we have the next episode, Victory. Episode 91, if you're going to count all of them. And episode 39 of season 2. It's called Victory. And it's coming out the 5th of August, guys. Thank you, and let's try and hit 500 views on this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.